Do you want wide cinematic shots straight from your Canon camera? Changing the aspect ratio to 16:9 gives you that perfect widescreen look. In this video, I'll show you how to switch your Canon camera's aspect ratio to 16:9. Perfect for videos or cinematic style photos. Let's change the aspect ratio right now. So, first turn on the camera. Now press the menu button. Go to the fourth camera tab. Here you will see the aspect ratio option. Scroll down and select this option. Then press the set button. Here you will find 4 options like 3:2, 4:3, 16:9, 1:1. Now select 16:9. From here, after that, press the set button to save it. And that's it. This is how you switch your Canon camera's aspect ratio to 16:9 on your Canon camera. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.